You are watching BitBNS News.
Hello and good morning. Right now the market is completely volatile, so it is important for users to get to know what actually happening around the crypto world. What news is there around crypto? So for that, make sure you watch Crypto News Daily and keep yourself updated. Ethereum bulls wake up after 4 years to transfer 22,982 ETH. Government agencies need crypto wallets and access to exchanges, Russian prosecutors say. $4 billion OneCoin scam co-founder pleads guilty, faces 60 years jail. Sam Bankman-Fried expected to give note to US extradition. Web3 privacy layer Aztec raises $100 million in Series B funding round. Nigeria set to pass bill recognizing Bitcoin and cryptocurrencies. Social engineering strikes again as $1 million+ Bored Ape collection stolen. Israeli court rules authorities can seize crypto in 150 blacklisted wallets. Binance cryptocurrency continues as experts warn of serious fallouts due to FUD. Gay.io experiences slowdown in deposits and withdrawals due to the node maintenance. 350 new scam tokens were created every day this year, Solidity Labs. US Senate banking chair floats possibility of banning crypto. Two addresses that have remained dormant for over 4 years recently come back to the light to transfer 22,982 ETH to new addresses, leaving investors scratching their heads. The ETH tokens in question originated from trading platforms Genesis and Poloniex and were found transferring 13,103.99 ETH and 9,878 ETH respectively. Russian authorities are finding it harsh to cash out digital assets they have gotten hold of, prosecutors have warned. They also have urged the government to recognize the cryptocurrency as property, allow departments to have digital wallets and use crypto exchanges. Carl Sebastian Greenwood, the co-founder of multi-billion-dollar fraudulent cryptocurrency scheme OneCoin, has pleaded guilty to multiple charges brought forward by the United States Department of Justice and faces a maximum of 60 years in prison. Sam Bankman-Fried, the founder and former CEO of crypto exchange FTX, is expected to legally forgo his extradition to the United States, Reuters reported on Monday, citing sources with knowledge of the situation. This comes only days after he was remanded to a Bahamian jail for a hearing. Aztec, a Web3 privacy layer, has raised $100 million in a Series B funding round led by the Andreessen Horowitz subsidiary A16Z Crypto. The organization, which already offers privacy-based services for a slew of Ethereum-based apps, will now focus on constructing an encrypted version of Ethereum, allowing individuals and organizations to transact privately. The Nigerian government will reportedly soon pass a law that will recognize the usage of Bitcoin and other cryptocurrencies as the means to keep up to date with global practices. Bored Ape Yacht Club NFTs have become a staple in crypto culture as one of the most recognizable collections in the NFT landscape. That too has come with the major target for scammers, hackers and other unsavory players. Tel Aviv Magistrate Court has reportedly issuing a ruling allowing Israel's government to seize all the crypto is more than 150 digital wallets that it has blacklisted for allegedly funding terrorist groups.